What's up, y'all? It's Sierra Monet, aka Barbie Girl C, and I'm back with another video.
I got all these bitches wanting to be Barbie dolls. Barbie dream house, pink and purple marble walls. Pull up in that Barbie Rari, finna bury y'all. She threw dirt on my name, ended up at her own burial.
Today we aren't doing makeup, we're not doing hair. We're gonna be getting into a chitty chat about business. This chair is so freaking squeaky. So basically, I just wanted to come to you guys to talk to you guys about how to start a business, and when I say business, I mean cosmetic line in particular, because I do have a cosmetic line. I had a cosmetic line before, but I kind of like changed the whole name complete, and I started going in a different direction. And currently I am kind of like going in another direction with it, but it's still the same thing, same concept, same idea, everything. I'm just changing how everything looks right now. But I'm going to be explaining to you guys how I started, what you need to do to start, and whatever else comes in this video. I did write down some, notes about the steps that it takes to start a cosmetic line. Let's just get right on into the video. But before I start, I do want to show you guys some stuff from my cosmetic line, because why not? I mean, we're here, right? So the first thing that I'm going to show you guys, my cosmetic line is basically lashes. I'm starting off with, different styles of lashes and all of that. But I did recently introduce some loose pigment highlighters, and these are, the highlighters. I do have 3 shades, so I just put them in this little cute bag. When you get them, they'll be in this little cute bag or whatever. And basically, I have each shade in a different color tube. So I have a pink, a white tube, and a black tube. And they just have the name of what they have their name of what shade it is on the back. And then I also have the, logo thing of what the product is. I don't have the company logo, but it is a logo that I made specifically for this product. So yeah, if you want more like pictures and swatches and all of that, you can go to Sierra Monet Cosmetics on Instagram, and I have lots of pictures, lots of swatches. Right now I do have on the Golden Girl Girly Glow, because that's what it's called. It's called Girly Glow. We're not doing highlight, we're doing Girly Glow. So I also have lashes, of course. This is my lash box for my 3D mink lashes, and these are one style of lashes that I have, and they just have the name of the lash right here, so it makes it easier for, if you want to put them on and then tag the company in it, it will make it easier for you to know which lashes it was. So that way if somebody asks you, you can be like, yeah, I got on glitter lashes, girl, they popping or whatever, But yeah, and I just have this little logo sticker on there. It's my logo, of course. And then these are my business cards. I'm not sure if you can actually see them, but whatever. Like I said, you can go to Sierra Monet Cosmetics if you want to see anything further. And we do have 25mm lashes, and we have more styles of those coming. Right now I only have 1 style, but I do have 3 more styles that I am introducing. Actually, if you think about it, I actually have like 6 more styles of 25mm lashes that I'm introducing, but 3 of those are a little bit down the line when I'm done like switching over everything and I have everything under control and all of that. So yeah. And by the way, if you do want any logos, business cards, flyers, whatever the case may be, you can go to Flight Designs on Instagram and they will make it perfectly. That's where all of my, all of my stuff comes from. Okay, so now let's get into what this video is about. How to start a business. So the first thing that I want to say, if you are trying to start a business, a cosmetic line, whatever type of business that you want to sell, well, that you want to start, the first thing that I would say is to figure out what it is that you do want to sell. Most companies don't start off without like with, you know, a lot of stuff. It's just they'll like introduce the company and have like 1 to 2 products that they, you know, that they have. When I started my cosmetic line, I have 4 styles of lashes, 3 glitter glosses / lip glosses, and that was pretty much it. I just had the lashes and the lip gloss. I'm not gonna do the lip glosses anymore because making those were like really messy, so I wouldn't do that unless I had got like, you know, a vendor to do all of that for me, because it's very messy, it's very time consuming, and kudos to all the girls that had their glitter gloss lines or whatever. I know that it ain't easy, trust me, I know. Okay, so the second thing that you want to do after you figure out what it is that you want to sell, you want to think of a name for your business, of course. When I first started my cosmetic line, I had the name Cake Up Savage, and I started doing that. But after a while, I was just kind of like, you know what, I want something that represents me and who I am, and I didn't feel like Cake Up Savage I didn't feel like it really did that. So what I did was I went and I switched the name Sierra Monet Cosmetics, which I am going to eventually shorten because people can't spell my name, and I don't want people to be like searching for my website and it's just like they spell my name wrong, and then it won't pop up because they spelled my name wrong. So it's like, oh, the website is not here no more, like she's done with it. I don't want it to be like that, so I am gonna like shorten it a little bit, but it'll still be the same thing. The third step to starting your own business would of course to find the products, which is the same as saying you need to find a vendor. There are many websites that you can find vendors on. People are even selling their vendors. I'm not doing that because I don't feel like that's right. Like I don't feel like that's right at all, but people are selling their vendors online. Their vendors, whatever. But yeah, that you have to find a vendor. You have to find somebody that is going to work with you and work with you fast, because you don't want somebody who's gonna take like you don't want shipping to be forever. Like no, you don't want shipping to be forever. The one thing that I can say about finding a vendor, Alibaba has, you know, a lot of vendors that you have to look through and you have to contact a lot of people. It's not easy finding a vendor. Nobody is just gonna give you their vendor just, you know, just, oh girl, yeah, I get my stuff from here. Like, why would anybody do that? You have to actually do a lot of research and trial and error, basically. Like, it's not just gonna, the vendor is not just gonna come to you and the first one that you try is gonna be the right one. It's not gonna work like that. So just find a vendor that you like, that has products that, you know, are quality, that are affordable, and yeah, find a vendor. Don't ask nobody who their vendor is, because that really eats me up. Like, don't ask me where I get anything from. Don't ask me how I do anything. Like, research. Okay, so the fourth thing that I had when you're trying to start a cosmetic line would be to, or any business, would be to make a website. Again, you can follow Flight Designs on Instagram. I will leave it in the description box below, and it will also pop up on the screen at any time I talk about it, probably. But make a website. If you don't know how to make a website, get somebody to make a website for you. Flight Designs. You want to have a website because people want to actually see it, I guess. You know, people like websites. Like, would you order something that, you know, you gotta get from somebody that says, oh, DM me to make your order and all of that? No, I just want to go on a website, add it to my cart, checkout, like, period. Like, I don't want to have to do all of that DMing you. We gotta talk back and forth about, I gotta wait for you to respond, and I don't have time for that. So it would definitely just be easier to make a website. You will definitely get more business from having a website rather than just trying to sell off of, you know, Instagram. And there's so many websites that you can, you know, create a website on. But like I said, if you don't know how to, if you're not willing to learn how to, or whatever the case may be, just get somebody to make it. Like, it's simple. It's simple. It's your business. This is your baby. So you want to have everything perfect. Everything. Well, I'm not gonna say perfect because, you know, people are gonna be like, everything can't be perfect. Blah, blah, blah. But you want to have it right. You want to have your stuff looking right, because you're just starting this business. You don't want to look like you're just starting. Like, come on now. Like, okay. Step number 5 to starting your business or whatever would be marketing. And when I say marketing, you want to make business cards, you want to have a logo. You'll probably have your logo before you even make your website, hopefully. You want to have a social media account just to, like, promote your stuff on and all of that. If you need business cards, logos, whatever, you know where to go. Okay, so my camera stopped recording, so I don't know where I left off at. We were talking about marketing and having business cards, logos, and social media accounts. It's good to have business cards so that way when you're out and, you know, say if I'm wearing my eyelashes, which I get a lot, I'm wearing my eyelashes and people are like, oh, those are cute, like, blah, blah. Then there you go. You can just hand them your card and be like, this is where I got them from, bada bing, bada boom. If they order it from you, okay. If not, alright, but at least they still know about your business just from the card. Like, come on now. Logo. The logo is what really, like, drives people into your business. If you have, like, I don't want to say a boring logo because you don't need anything extravagant, but you want to have a logo that represents what your company is for. My logo is basically, I have like this little face chart type of thing, and she has just like some little pink fur around the neck or whatever, and then I have the eyes covered and it's just my name on it. My brand is like, I want it to be everything girly, everything. It's a girl gang. We're a girl gang, you know, women empowerment, you know, like, yeah. So that's why I created this logo for that, and I just thought that it represented me so well. Like, that just screams Barbie girl C. Like, if you don't think so, I don't care. But yeah, so marketing, the social media account, you want to, you know, get your followers up, because it's always nice to have a following when you're trying to have a business or trying to be a business person or whatever. That's just always good. If I keep looking down, I'm trying to look, I'm looking at myself. It's just like, I'm trying to make sure the camera is still on. But yeah, like I said, marketing is gonna be something that you need to do when you want to start your cosmetic line. And the last thing that I want to say when starting a cosmetic line would basically be to figure out how you want to do shipping and how you want to work that out. I haven't really gotten the chance to figure out how I want to make my shipping process a little bit easier for me, because right now I am going to the post office and, you know, doing it all there, as opposed to having my shipping labels already done before I go to the post office. I just do it all there, which is it's really time consuming, but I'm still trying to figure out how all of that works. So yeah. Yeah, that's basically all of my tips on how to start a cosmetic line or any type of business, because these are going to be things that you need to do for all businesses. And the number one thing that you have to do is just research. Like, research. Google is going to be your best friend, especially if you didn't go to college for like business or something like that. Google is going to be your number one friend. Like, you just have to Google everything. Any question that pops up into my head, I just Google it and I'll read and sit and figure it out from there. But it ain't easy. It's not easy, but it ain't rocket science either. Like, so like I said, well, I didn't say this, but if you guys have any questions about, you know, anything business related, I do want to kind of start doing like business Q&As and, you know, videos on like how to start business. I mean, I just did that today, but you know, more business related videos. So let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will be sure to answer them. I'm not going to answer them in the comments, but I will have a video, you know, answering your questions. So there you go. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at BarbieGirlC, because I will be posting, you know, I might want to do a Q&A one day, and I'll just, you know, post it on Instagram asking y'all to ask me questions or something. I only really use Instagram, so just follow me on Instagram. Don't forget to follow my cosmetic line page. Also, it will be in the description box, all of that. Also, these lashes that I have on are from Sierra Monet Cosmetics. They are CC lashes, so you can go check that out too if you want. The next video that I'm going to try to post for you guys would be like pros and cons of running a business and all of that. So I'ma just get them out for y'all. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I am going to start doing more videos where I'm just, you know, talking to you guys, as opposed to doing like makeup tutorials and hair tutorials. I'm still going to incorporate those into my channel, but I'm just not really feeling it like I was feeling it before. Like, so this is what's really getting me like getting me energized, giving me that motivation to keep recording, keep doing YouTube and stuff. Doing makeup and hair tutorials and all of that, I don't really know. Like, I'll still do it here and there. Like, I do have a makeup tutorial coming that I've been recorded that I just haven't gotten edited yet. But like I said, I will be doing more sit down talk videos. I'm gonna try to do more vlogs, but I'm not really I don't know, I don't really like, you know, recording myself while I'm outside. Like, I don't like people people stare at me anyway. Like, I am 5'11" and I got on these big eyelashes. People stare at me regardless, but it's just like, I don't know. That's something that I'll have to just, you know, wiggle those little nervous worms out and just do it. But vlogs coming, more talking videos coming, like more videos like this are coming. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications so that you can be notified whenever I record. Duh. And I will see y'all in my next video. Deuces!